Hi. I'm Officer Montjoy, Federal Police Department. I turned on my lights and sirens and you didn't stop? Or turn on my lights?
I did. I just backed to our parking spot. Sorry.
Okay. Usually, like, if it's a traffic stop, you just kind of stop where you are.
I didn't know if it was a traffic stop. There's a lot of raids around here.
A lot of raids, you say?
Raids as in, like, there was just a bunch of police that was over there and whatnot. There's a lot of police that's circling around here.
Oh, okay.
So I don't necessarily, like, pull over. I just pull into my spot. What's up?
Okay. So the reason I pulled you over, if you want to look over here to the side of your car, you have a, were you at the gas station?
I was.
14 copy. This is probably going to be a DUI.
You're f***ing kidding me. You're f***ing kidding me.
14, I said it's a possible DUI. Which gas station were you at?
Fort Myers. What the f***? I was at the gas station, over there on campus. Fort Myers.
Okay.
Yeah, I was over there with my boyfriend. He just put gas in my car.
That's what I'm trying to figure out, like, if I can get that back to the gas station or whatnot.
Definitely. I didn't know he hadn't put it back in there. I literally just, like, drove off because he told me it was good.
Interesting.
I feel like cursing him the f*** out. Are you f***ing kidding me? This has been riding on me the entire block.
That's what I
and
saw.
Nobody has said anything.
Well, that's why I stopped you, is because I saw it on your car, so... Yeah.
Oh, I'm about to curse him the f*** out. Are you f***ing kidding me? He never took a...
Yeah. How far away do you think that gas station was?
Less than a mile.
Less than a mile away?
Honestly, a couple of blocks.
Okay.
It wasn't even that much.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Okay.
Okay, so I'll be honest with you. With this and your driving and all this, do you have your license on you by chance?
No.
So this is a traffic stop. So I need your license, registration, and insurance. Just because.
Stopped. I'd already parked. I was already in my parking lot. I'm really confused.
So this is.
I had not even pumped the gas.
Okay, but because I stopped you initially, it doesn't matter that you parked your car. This is a traffic stop. Okay. So I need your license, please.
That's perfectly fine. I don't have it on me. I have my passport right now.
Okay. I have reason to believe that you're impaired tonight while you're driving your vehicle. Correct. Like under the influence of a substance. Correct.
No.
So would you be willing to do voluntary field sobriety tests?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Okay, awesome. Can I have you just step over here for me? It'll be like a quick test of your eyes and like a walking test and things like that. Just stay in this position. Okay. I want you to follow the light with only your eyes and not your head. Do you understand?
Only my eyes and not my head. So meaning I can't move my head, I can only move my eyes.
Correct.
Yes. Got it.
Okay. Remember to follow the green light with your eyes, okay?
I am.
Keep your hands on by your side for me, okay? So keep your head this way. Point your nose towards me. There you go. Good job. And then just follow it with your eyes, okay?
I'm sorry, I'm fine.
You're okay.
Never really had this test.
Okay. The next test is going to be just a walk and turn test. What I want you to do right now is just imagine that there's a straight line coming out of your left foot. And I want you to put your right foot on that line with your heel touching your toe, just like this. Can you do that for me right now? Okay. And when you're ready, you can begin.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
In a heel to toe manner. Keep your hands on by your side.
5, 4, 1005, 1006. Sorry, can't keep my balance up. How far do you want me to go?
I'll tell you when to stop.
Got it. 1015, 1016, 1017.
Perfect. You can stop for me.
Yes, ma'am.
You can put your shoes back on because I know it's cold out here.
I'm just trying to get home to my daughter.
How old's your daughter?
I got a 4-year-old at home.
Is she by herself or she's with someone?
She's with my mama, but I gotta get ready to go back to I travel overseas. I live in Florida.
Oh, okay. So you're getting ready to go back to Florida?
I am.
Okay. Is this all you have? Is this backpack right here?
I do. Is there something wrong?
Yeah. So, well, right now you're nervous for DUI.
No.
Listen, Melina.
No.
Melina.
I can't. No. I need y'all to understand. I cannot go to jail. I have to get my daughter home.
Melina, can you stop?
I am not
pulling against me. Okay.
But I need to get my daughter home.
Okay.
Okay.
Which unit is your mother in?
Whoa. Whoa, can you? Whoa, 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 whoa. I'm literally in the parking lot of my own house. I'm in the parking lot of my own home.
Correct. I initiated a traffic stop, and instead of stopping, you went and backed into a parking stall. That's why you're in the stall of your apartment complex.
That's not why.
So listen, I'm trying to do you a courtesy. Can you tell me what unit your mother is in and where your child is, so we can at least talk to her and tell her what's happening?
22 B3, and it's not my mom, it's my brother. It's in a gas station.
Okay. 22 B3.
I cannot tell honey. My daughter is already.
Listen.
There's already
You cannot drive a vehicle intoxicated.
Can I go with her? Her.
Yeah.
I'll meet you there though.
Okay.
I'm always my fucking kid.
Thank you.
I'm driving home.
Alright, go ahead and have a seat.
Are you freaking kidding me? So.
I'm gonna reach right in front of you. Lean back for me.
Can you guys let me?
Can you lean back for me, please?
Can I get out? I need my kid.
Nope.
What do you mean, no?
Sir, right now you're under arrest, ma'am.
What do you mean under arrest? Under arrest for what?
She already told you. So
A DUI? A DUI for what?
I need you to take a breath. Okay.
I have taken a couple of breaths.
Okay,
The problem is that my child is inside the house.
Okay, we're gonna check on the child.
No. I don't need y'all to check on my kid. I need y'all to check on. He gonna check on my damn car.
What's that?
He gonna check my car. Y'all gonna check everything
Sit back for me.
illegally. Y'all don't even have.
Ma'am, you're under arrest, okay?
Yeah, of course.
Nothing is
Of course not. As long as y'all put me under handcuffs.
That's why we shouldn't drink and drive, man.
Yeah.
Okay. So I've never seen this before.
Yeah.
Are we booking this?
I think so. She didn't tell. I asked her which gas
Probably
station, and she just said
I was
on
gonna.
campus.
Yeah, it's flammable though. You can't book it.
Maybe just take it back to the gas
Take a
station.
photo of it?
I did take a photo of it. Is this damaged?
It is.
Oh my gosh.
She's been dragging it for a while.
I know, that's what.
Show on.
Did you see me flip around? Was that you?
Was it right there at?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, I saw you.
Because I was like, what is that sound? And
The woman was transferred to holding for processing, where she became uncooperative.
And no. As soon as you guys bring her in here so she can move me and transfer safely, then yes, I will happily oblige to take the shit off. Otherwise,
Perfectly safe.
no, I'm not. I'm not at home. I'm not anywhere where I'm comfortable. So no, I am not safe. And until I am, no, because I can see her from right here. I can see her if she comes out the room. I can see everything from right here. I'm fine.
She's not even over there.
Or whatever. Sure, however you want to feel. Basically, I will keep banking on whatever the hell I have on me. Because you guys want to take this shit off. You want to believe I'm drunk? Sure. This is what's on me now.
Okay.
No. Get her.
I'll take
Get
her
her.
out as soon as you stand up.
Get her. No. Not with you. You're rude.
How have
You're
I been
rude.
rude?
You're the same officer that sat over here and go close the door on me talking about maybe you shouldn't drive drunk and close the door. Like I would drive drunk with a 4-year-old.
I never said that to you.
Go get her. Just like another fucking police officer. It's always fucking. What's up with white people? I don't understand. No. Go get her.
I can't do that. We need to go
Okay. Well, tell me where you're taking me.
to jail.
No. I just had a whole conversation with her. She told me she had to go do paperwork and she'd be coming out to talk to me. So that's a no. You can go talk to her and she can come back and get me. Otherwise, it's going to be a whole nother thing. No. You can go get her. That's a dub. Talking about some to jail. The fuck? You can go get her. That's what you can do. Or a judge. You can do that too.
Judges don't work on Sundays.
Don't make no difference to me. I don't work on Sundays either. Go get somebody. Bye-bye. The door is right there. Go find someone. It ain't me.
So unfortunately, you're under arrest.
Unfortunately, you need to go get her. Because she asked you if I was comfortable with you or her. And I told you I'm not comfortable with the white man. So go get her. You said that she's busy doing paperwork. That's great. Race doesn't have anything to do with it in the police force. So no, you can go get her. You can go get her though. That's perfectly fine. And I know it's really not that hard. It's through a couple of doors. You'll be perfectly fine. And I'm sure you got all the paperwork and equipment to go with that, honey. Go get her. I'm not moving though.
So you're okay if she...
I'm not
moving
if a white male is trying to come and get me and take me somewhere where she ain't even said nothing to me. No, I ain't going nowhere. Go get her.
Okay, so I just want to make this clear.
I'm not moving because I don't feel comfortable with you.
If she comes and puts you in a car, you'll be fine with that. You're not going to fight? You're going to be cool?
I'm not moving because you are a white male. Get away from me. Bye. Move.
Okay, well I can't leave you.
That's perfectly fine. We'll tell her to come on.
Okay, well I'm not leaving you.
Okay, tell her to come on. I've been in custody this entire time and I've been sitting by myself.
Okay.
Sitting over here making noise. You want to hear this too? Sitting over here making noise all by myself. Thank you though. I really appreciate you trying to give me the fucking white supremacy talk. Go get her. What the hell? Somebody black, please come get me. No. Can you get the move? Get up out of here. No, I don't feel comfortable. Somebody need to come up and get me. No.
As of right now, what's going to happen is we're going to have to go into the police car. Okay? So either you go with me voluntarily, or we're going to have to take...
I would be going home just to
if we could release... No. If we could release you to an adult.
So, first of all, I'm 23. Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you very much. I am a full adult. Full functioning, by the way.
But you're under the influence of alcohol.
Not only that, but I've told you multiple ways if you can get in touch with my brother. I haven't even if I could get my phone, literally, I'd be able to tell you guys the phone number. Nobody's able to remember a phone number off the top of their heads. So what exactly?
Do that.
No, honey, I cannot. I can't even remember the last time I went potty.
Okay, so I'm giving you the options.
So what would you like me to do?
We're gonna get up now and go to the patrol car. You're gonna do it voluntarily. Otherwise, we will assist you in doing so.
Because you guys can't find my brother's phone number.
Correct.
And he has a whole CDL. And you mean to tell me you can't find his phone number?
Okay, go ahead and stand up.
Take it off of me. Come on, just arrest me. Because you're going to sit over here and lie to me for no damn reason.
Face the wall.
Why the hell would you sit over here and lie to me? What the hell was the reason for that? Go ahead, do what you need to do. Shit.
Does Phelps have cups?
What was that?
Phelps' cups.
Here you
I want him away from me. No. I don't want him touching me. I don't want him touching me. I don't want him touching me.
You don't have the option.
No.
Okay, then turn around and face the wall.
Then don't have him touch
Turn around
me.
and face the wall.
You can touch me, but he cannot.
He is a police officer.
I don't care.
He's going to put
I don't
hands on
care.
you. You're not going to resist.
I've been in harmful situations. He's not touching me.
I just met you.
I don't give a damn. I've met a lot of people before, and they f***ed me up before. Nope. No, thank you.
Put your right foot up here so you can take off your. You got to take off your leg restraint. Go ahead and put it up here.
Can't move the little bit with him. You can close the door now.
I've got it on body camera.
No.
Did you rebuckle yourself?
Yes, I did. But I'm not leaving. No. No, I'm not going inside of there. I'm not going inside of there.
Well, you don't have a choice.
I'm not going to jump.
Okay. So,
I'll stay out here with you. That's fine. And we can talk about the whole thing. But I'm going to jail. I can't.
you listen to me, please?
I came from the suburbs. I'm not even meant for this. No. I don't know what to do inside of there. They're going to try to me.
Melina, I'll just stay here. If you don't come out with me right now, they're going to have to come pull you out, and I don't want that to happen.
Who is this?
She's refusing to come out.
What's she here for?
DUI.
Excuse me, 6 officers.
Hi. Hey, are you going to
Go
come out?
ahead, take off your seatbelt. Fine. Shit, y'all gonna tackle me anyway. Don't touch me,
I'm going to grab you.
Yeah, of course the hell you are.